Defining claim. What is a claim and how can we understand this simplistically? Let's give it a shot, shall we? Claim. Declarative statement not currently established as fact. Basically, within the context of computers, a claim could be understood as something being said that hasn't actually occurred yet. For example, in a general sense, for example, the great boxer Muhammad Ali used to always say, "I am the greatest. I swing like a, how do you say it? I float like a butterfly and sting like a bee." And that was a claim until he won repetitively over and over and over against a ton of times. Then we could establish it as fact. But he wasn't the greatest the first fight he fought. Although in his head, he positioned himself to do that, and that was his way of auto-suggestion to his own self, among other things. But it wasn't established, quote unquote, a fact until he won a bunch of championships, won a bunch of great fights. So a claim is something that you state as a truth, but it's not been proven. A fact is something that can be proven. It hasn't been proven yet. So you have to go through the process to prove it. So think of a claim as a point blank statement that cannot be, that has not proven. Another way you can think of it is, let's an example of a claim. A claim could be, in insurance, we say claims are, let's say health insurance, that you have a bill, there's a bill out there with your name on it for medical services that the insurance company receives. Declare the statement, money is owed. Declare the statement, it's in this person's name in our database. But the fact is that money owed, is all that money owed, and is it really this person's, medical services received? Once we establish those and other factors about the claim, then we could say it's a fact. The bill needs paid. Think of it that way.